Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here for this Act software tip. So, sometimes when you book a meeting, you want to make sure that no one forgets about your meeting. So, one of the things you can do in Act is you can send an invitation to that person via email. So, let me use Mr. John Smith, who's on my screen right here, to illustrate that. I'm going to go up and schedule a meeting, and the meeting time and date isn't really that relevant. But here in the regarding field, I'm going to put on just type in proposal, and maybe down here in the location, I'm just going to type in your office. Now, you don't have to type these things in here. It just might make it a little bit clearer. Next, I'm going to click off Send Invitation Email. So now the first part of this is I'm scheduling a meeting with John Smith. And actually, let me make it out a little bit of time, so maybe just a couple days out. And I'm scheduling this, but I want to make sure that he knows about it and puts it on his calendar. So again, I click the Send Invitation Email. I'm going to click OK. Now what I've done in Act is I've scheduled the meeting, but you're going to see this little box popping up that says Creating Outlook Invitation. And when that pops up, it's going to show, and you might have to bear with me 1 second because I just need to drag it over. Nope, there it is. I thought it might be on my other monitor. But here is the invitation. It's all the stuff I typed in. And now, by clicking on send, that person will get the invitation and is able to put it on his or her calendar. So simply by hitting send, you're sending an invitation just to confirm and make sure the person on the other end. That's a great little tool to be able to use. If you have any questions on this or any of the other ACT tips you see on our website, 365acttips.com, feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to try to help you out. Again, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.